Food allergens, the link between food chemistry and food industries worldwide. Have you ever wondered how food companies are able to make products such as lactose-free milk, or maybe how they even detect whether their products have unsuspecting allergens lurking within? The answer is food chemistry. Food allergens are typically defined as naturally occurring proteins in food that cause an abnormal immune response. While there are 8 food items that account for 90% of all global food allergies, lactose, gluten, and nut allergies are the most common of these and will now be discussed further.
Milk and other dairy products contain a sugar or carbohydrate called lactose. Normally, the body breaks down lactose into simpler components with the help of an enzyme called lactase. However, those that are lactose intolerant do not have sufficient lactase to do so. A common method is simply to add the enzyme lactase to milk and pre-digesting the sugar into glucose and galactose. The resulting milk still contains the enzyme, so the milk is ultra-pasteurized to deactivate the enzyme and extend the shelf life of the milk.
Gluten. Gluten is present in wheat, barley, and rye. Gluten allergy is an immune response to any of the proteins present in wheat, barley, and rye, including but not limited to gluten. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder in which our immune system responds abnormally to gluten. This destroys the villi in intestines, which are responsible in absorbing nutrients. Treatment for celiac disease is adhering to a strict gluten-free diet. Many gluten-free alternatives to common foods are available in the market, such as bread, pasta, cereals, and baked goods. To extract gluten from wheat, barley, or rye, milling them into flour, making a dough, and washing out the starch is involved. Starch dissolves in water, but gluten does not, so the gluten protein sediment sinks to the bottom. Then the starch solution is drained off and dried to produce gluten-free products.
Nut allergies are allergies to a protein in one or many variety of nuts. The general method of prevention for allergic reaction is avoidance, but this can be difficult as the tiniest amount can trigger an allergic reaction. The importance of food labeling is paramount to those with food allergies. Personal allergen detection kits for nuts and other allergens are becoming increasingly available. These generally consist of a small machine to detect the allergen protein concentration. The Food Standards Code requires the declaration of allergens in food. Mechanisms of detection within the industry include HPLC and UV-Vis. Within a factory, it is required that tools and equipment be thoroughly cleaned and inspected between batches. Although it is possible that not all allergens will be removed in this process, hence disclaimers stating may contain traces of an allergen.